Hi, welcome to our 8th tutorial in this course. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about sequences and lists. Now, list is something which allows you to show the data in a sequential manner. Well, let me just quickly show you guys how to create a list so you'll understand what I'm saying. And to do that, you just need a name for the whole list. And for now, I'm just going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to keep it as animals, and then you need to add two brackets, and then here this is where you're going to put all your data. Now each of this data is called as elements within the list, and for that and you separate each of these elements with a comma. Dot get lion, right, tiger. You can add as many as elements you want in this list. So when you do that, the list is created. Now, if you want to access each of these elements within this list, you need to specify it in a different manner. So you write animals, the list name, and then you add two brackets, and this is where you specify the number of that element. For example, these elements in this list is ordered in a weird way, so it's quite weird. It's numbered from 0. This element is 0, 1, 2, and 3, so it doesn't start from 1, it starts from 0. So if you want to print out lion, then you have to say start from 0, 0, 1, and 2. So if you type animals and then 2, that's going to print out lion. So this is how a list is numbered. And you can also or you can also count the elements from a reverse order, which is numbered from a negative number. So it starts from -1, -2, -3, and -4. It can't be -0 because -0 is nothing but 0, which doesn't make sense. So it starts from -1. For example, if you just type animals, then sorry, animals, and then write -2, that's going to print line because it's -1 and -2. So this is all about sequences and lists in this tutorial, but in our next lecture we'll talk more about tuples, and then also I'm going to be showing you guys something really cool, so you might have to pay attention, and hopefully I'll see you next lecture. Thank you.